Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you install Windows 11 on a new SSD. You want to watch this video right till the end. The simplest way to install Windows on new SSD without USB is to transfer the Windows system from the HDD to your SSD. In this way, your system file settings, registry, personal data, etc. are moved to SSD. After migration, the SSD is bootable and you could boot the system from this SSD. You won't need to reinstall the Windows 10 or 11, 8 or 7 as well. To perform the migration task, MiniTool ShadowMaker could be a good assistant. So it easily backs up your operating system to USB drive or external hard drive and restore the system to your new SSD as well. Now to install Windows on new SSD without USB, just click the follow button, or you just have to make sure to install MiniTool ShadowMaker trial. You just have to make sure to click that out and boot MiniTool ShadowMaker on your PC and tap on the Keep Trial to go on. After which, click Tools from the right panel, tap on Clone Disk to continue. In a new window, choose your HDD as a source driver and select the new SSD as a target driver. After the selection, start the cloning process. Depending on the data size, the cloning time varies. You may have mentioned that MiniTools to make sure everything is moved from HDD to SSD. The disk clone can satisfy you. After the clone shuts down your computer, remove the HDD and put the SSD into its original place. The computer can run from the faster SSD. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.